We are Team 1, Kate, Sophia, Finn, and Colin, the Bat Architects. For our project, we hiked several different trails and cleaned their surrounding areas, picking up trash and debris that was littering the trail. These trails are public areas which serve as a community spot and home hundreds of plant and animal species. By cleaning up the area, we removed trash before it could enter a waterway or harm an animal, which in turn could cause a big problem for the food chain and ecosystem. The first trail we hiked was on Mount Warner, a 156-acre plot of land which was once an island in glacial Lake Hitchcock. Now it is used for agriculture as it has been for over 200 years, but evidence suggests it was once home of the Abenaki tribe of Native Americans. We next visited the dinosaur footprints, which about 200 million years ago was a mix of subtropical wetlands and shallow lakes. In 1802, they became the first dinosaur footprints to ever be scientifically discovered and are now naturally preserved in the ground's sandstone. Lastly, we went to the Land of Providence, 25 acres of land next to the riverside, which helps to raise livestock and grow crops, providing food to the local community.
The Trustees' land has 123 properties spanning across all of Massachusetts, including on Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. These properties contain over 350 miles of trails and 47,000 acres of protected land. To make that a little easier to swallow, at highway speeds it would take 6 hours to travel all of their trails, which is farther away than Philadelphia. And in terms of land, that's almost 3 times the size of Amherst.
We also went to the Land of Providence in Holyoke, which is a 25-acre space that promotes agricultural and farming. There was not a ton of trash to pick up, mostly because this is not used much as a shared walking trail, but more for the community to use as a space to promote local agricultural use. The importance of civic engagement is shown at the Land of Providence. It promotes the help of individuals in order to better the community, and by cleaning up these areas, we were able to better help the people that utilize them.
Working with the trustees to maintain these trails gave us a new perspective on the importance of preserving and respecting our local environment. Our group admired this natural land, taking in the true grandeur of what has led these places to look how they do now. These environments have been shaped by the earth over billions of years. By cleaning up these trails and sites, we have helped others enjoy natural spaces in the way they were meant to be seen, unaltered with minimal human interference. It fills us with joy and pride. The future people may too take the time to enjoy and be educated by these beautiful lands in a safe and litter-free environment.